Welcome to Cast and Crew, where it's easier than ever for you to submit new project requests digitally and start utilizing our top-notch payroll services. In this short video, we'll show you how to easily submit a new project request and provide some helpful tips and tricks to speed up the process. Let's get started. If you're a new Cast and Crew client, you'll receive a welcome email that contains a link to create a new Okta account. Use these credentials to sign in to My Cast and Crew to access the project onboarding dashboard. For existing clients with My Cast and Crew access, an email will guide you to log in and access the project onboarding dashboard to submit a new project request. If you're unable to access the link in the email due to security filters, locate the token code in the email footer. Copy it and click the portal link. Input your email address and paste the token code. Click Get Started to initiate the Okta registration process. Upon accessing the Project Onboarding tab, you'll be welcomed by your dashboard. This is where you'll find all the projects you've created or have been added to as a collaborator. To quickly locate specific projects, utilize the search bar to search by project name, production company, services and products, or even status. We also have a video that dives much deeper into the dashboard available with a link in the top right corner. From the dashboard, you can take various actions on projects that have already been created. Let's dive into them. If there are multiple people that need to work together on a project request form, you can add collaborators to help you complete it. You can clone an existing project request form to copy over its information to a new form. Just provide a unique project name. You can still modify the information as needed before submitting the new request. If you no longer need a project on your dashboard and want to keep your list organized, you can delete the project. Keep in mind that this can only be done for projects that have a draft status. If you're an admin user, you'll see an admin collaboration button on your dashboard. With this, you can invite more admin users to create new projects at any time, manage your team members' permissions, and view the history log of the collaborators who have been added, removed, or updated. Before you begin filling out the project request form, we recommend having the following documents handy: direct debit, and if you'll be utilizing PSL Plus as one of your digital products, it's helpful to have your chart of accounts available. Additionally, if you will be paying union crew, please also provide the respective union contracts applicable for your project and crew if it is not already on file. To create a new project, simply click New Project. You'll be asked if you would like to start from scratch, use a template you have saved, or clone an existing project. If you have them available and select to use a template or clone an existing project, you'll be able to pick from a drop-down which template to use or which project to clone from. But we'll start one from scratch and click Create Project Draft. Here, you'll find an intuitive interface designed to make your project submission process smooth and hassle-free. If you have questions about specific fields or need additional information, refer to the client knowledge base on the right side or navigate to the Detailed Help Center article. Wherever you see a tooltip icon, click it to access more information. If you have specific notes for the setup team, or if you need to upload documents specific to your project request, you can use the Additional Notes and Attachments functionality found at the end of each section. To accelerate your process creation, you can create a project template to use for future project requests with similar information. To create a template from the dashboard, click on the Templates tab and then click New Template. If you've already submitted a project request form and you'd like to use its information for future projects, you can clone the project request form from the dashboard and then save it as a template. Please note that templates cannot be submitted and you'll be notified accordingly. To use a template for creating a project, on the Templates tab, locate your template, click the 3 vertical dots button, and click Copy to Project. But let's finish up our project request. While working on the form, your progress will automatically be saved once you click the Next Section and Next Category buttons. You can also save your progress to return to it at any time for further editing. Once you've completed the form, simply click the Submit button, and our advanced system takes care of the rest. On the dashboard, you'll notice the status change from Draft to Setup in Progress. Keep an eye on your projects, as sometimes you may see an Action Required status, meaning there is something that needs your attention and completion to finish setup. You can dive deeper into the setup process for a project by clicking on the project to see a breakdown of the services requested and their setup progression. The setup tracker is interactive, and you can click on services to see what has been completed, what's in progress, and if there's anything needed from you to complete the setup. Below the project setup tracker, you can upload additional files, as well as search previously uploaded files for the project. We have a video that dives deeper into the project setup page available by clicking the link in the top right corner. Once the request has been reviewed and approved by the Cast and Crew setup team, the status will reflect all systems go, and you'll receive an email confirmation once your project is in the payroll system. If you need to make changes after submitting your project request, like attaching additional documents, modifying existing information, or adding new details, you can make revisions and resubmit the form when you're ready. To save your revisions without submitting the form, simply click Save Progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will save your changes and update the status to unsubmitted. This status allows all collaborators to track the progress of the request. Team members with permission to submit requests can take appropriate action as needed. When you're ready to submit your changes, click Save and Submit Changes. Your revisions will be sent to our setup team, and you'll receive a success message and an email confirmation that will outline your revision request with a ticket number that you can reference. If you do not have permission to submit a project request, you can still save your changes and then notify the admin to submit the request. An email will be sent to the admin informing them that the unsubmitted project is ready for submission. At Cast and Crew, we're committed to providing exceptional customer support every step of the way. If you require further assistance, our dedicated team is always available to help, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience.